Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products to enhance your daily life. Today, we're talking about the shower enema system with a 100-inch hose, diverter, and water control valve. Hands down, the best anal douche shower head you'll find on the market. Whether you're looking for an effective cleaning solution or simply want a more comfortable and hygienic experience, this system is designed to meet your needs. First, let's talk about the build quality. This shower enema system is made from polished chrome and stainless steel, ensuring both durability and a sleek look. The smooth metal nozzles are finely polished, which means no sharp edges, ensuring that it's safe and comfortable to use. It's perfect for both men and women looking for a more convenient way to stay fresh. Installation is a breeze. The system comes with everything you need, including a metal 3-way diverter. The diverter allows you to easily switch between the shower head and the enema nozzle. Plus, with the 8-foot flexible hose made of 304 stainless steel, you won't have to worry about tangling, and the hose won't rust over time. The hose is also long enough to give you freedom and flexibility during use. One of the standout features of this product is the water flow control valve. This gives you the ability to gradually adjust the water pressure from a gentle trickle to a more powerful flow, so you can control the experience based on your comfort level. It's perfect for anyone who prefers a more personalized shower routine. For those concerned about hygiene, this system provides a smooth, easy-to-clean surface that resists buildup. The nozzles are designed to be hygienic and easy to maintain, ensuring your experience is as clean and pleasant as possible. With a 3-year warranty, this Enema shower head system is built to last. If you ever have any questions or issues, you can reach out to the company for assistance, and they'll be happy to help you out. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality anal douche shower head that offers convenience, comfort, and control, the shower enema system with a 100-inch hose is definitely the best option out there. Its durable materials, easy installation, and adjustable water pressure make it the ideal addition to your bathroom. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products to make your life easier.